worship your holy name.
Well, it helps bring awareness to people that are hungry, so I think it should be helpful if I participate.
They don't deserve to not have food.
I don't know, I want to know how it feels like to, feel like kids who are starting to stay day to day, but, I'm lucky enough to get food every day.
Oh, because I want to step up doing something so I can get confidence when I ask people for farm raising.
2 years ago, or actually 3 years ago, the very first year we did it, it was very, very good learning experience. And so I'm doing that, to raise money, especially after watching just videos and knowing that what the reality is around the world. Children, who are hungry every day, and we're here in the United States and we're being fed well, and we eat like pigs every day, and so it's just giving back to the community and stepping up and doing what Christ has called us to be.
I want to help out with the kids around the world who are starving and don't have education, and who are lost in what they're doing also, and just to try to do something new.
I'm very sorry out for them because I want to experience how they experience, so I know how they go through the days.
I'm through doing 30-hour Famine, mainly because I want to see what our young people can do. It's an opportunity for all of us to just kind of join hands and make a difference in the world, no matter how big or small it is.
I am doing 30-hour Famine because I want to raise money to help stop and overcome hunger. Just a passion of having that compassion come over me from God to just help people in need, and
I'm doing that family because I want to help children or sponsor children who is in poverty or just young in third world country who needs money or just need help.
I am doing 3-hour Famine because I want to fight against hunger. People know about it, but people don't really do anything about it because they feel like, oh no, and so like, there's not much you can do about it, but it's very empowering to know that through Christ, we can really make a difference.
In a third world country, $1 could feed one child one day.
$1 can feed one kid for one day.
One day, and my country's Kenya.
India!
Team Zimbabwe! Woo!
Kenya!
Representing Ethiopia.
Bangladesh.
Zambia!
Kenya! Woo-hoo!
Ethiopia.
Kenya.
Ethiopia.
Afghanistan!
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm pretty excited. Oh yeah, I'm stoked.
I am really excited.
yes, we are going to win, yo. We are going to win. We are going to win, yo.
We are now. What's your name?
Wait, what kind of question is that?
What is your name?
You were the real one?
We want my gangster name.